Hey Glamazons, it's me and John is having a sale. Check these out. These are 1 carat total weight diamond earrings, half a carat in each ear. Look at the price. His store is 30% off until the end of October, I think. So yeah, if you guys have been wanting his boxes or anything that he's got, get it now because it's 30% off. Look at these diamonds, and they've got great ratings. Of course, you guys know I had to get my hands on a pair, so check it out. I wore these to work today. They're big earrings. They're bigger than you would think they are. And for these to be a half a carat in each ear, these are really nice diamonds. And seriously, ladies, these are under $50. Definitely under 60, no tax, free shipping. So I really hope you ladies get your hands on these. People have been staring at my ears. These are an excellent pair of first diamond earrings. If you don't have any, where else are you going to get a carat of diamonds that sparkle for under 60 bucks? Take advantage.